A customer calls a few days after sales, shares their billing info. But without call tracking, you lack their past interactions and sales journey. This only leads to two roads. Either you ask them everything, or you put them on hold while digging through previous records. Either way, you can't map their journey or anticipate their next need. And the chance to create a truly personalized experience is lost. But if you track business calls with KrispCall, the AI-powered phone system, every touch point on the customer journey becomes proactive, efficient, and truly personalized. And here's how you can make that happen, step by step, in KrispCall. Log into your KrispCall dashboard. Go to Settings, navigate to VoIP numbers, and click on Add New Number. Purchase a number from 100+ countries and name it to the campaign you're about to run. Promote the number in the campaign and prepare for incoming calls. Turn on auto call recording, voicemail transcript, and go to incoming call strategy, set call menu, IVR with greetings, and route it to designated agents and departments. On each call, add contact details, create tags, make notes, and close the sales. The customer journey mapping starts automatically. When customers start calling at any touch point, just visit their inbox. Use filters, notes, tags, and transcripts to retrieve context and history instantly. Repeat the process on a new number for each new campaign. Make every customer feel like you were already waiting for them before they even dial. And it doesn't stop there. Inside your KrispCall dashboard, use analytics and filters to track performance for each number separately. See which campaigns bring the most calls, measure agent efficiency, and refine your customer journey with real data. Turn every interaction into a personalized experience with KrispCall. Visit KrispCall.com to start tracking your business calls today.